beautiful morning. How you all doing? I've been scarce on YouTube for a while. I had a program, but I'm back. Welcome, guys. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. On today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 symptoms that show that your skin is stressed out. Yes. Hello, guys. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, please remember to hit that subscription button and also thumbs up, please guys. Remember to click on that notification icon, so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be notified. So let's get right into the video. So 5 skin symptoms that show that your skin is stressed. Yes, number 1 on my list will be acne. Even myself, I experience that a lot. Anytime I'm stressed out, before you know it, I'll just see one pimple, acne and stuff like breakout. So that could be one of it. There's so many other reasons that could cause your acne, but that's one of the reasons that shows that you're stressed. So the second one will be this burning, itching sensation on your skin. That's also one of the reasons on my on my list to show that you are stressed out. You just stay for no reason at all, no visible reason at all. You just start feeling this burning, this itchiness on your skin. So the third one will be rashes. Stress can also cause small red like bumps on your skin, tiny bumps. That's the third reason that could show that you are stressed out. Then the fourth would be dull skin. So many people experience that a lot. You can tell from their face that they are stressed out, they're worn out, they are tired. So that's dullness. Your complexion becomes dull. Someone that used to look so bright, all of a sudden you just become dull. So that's number 4 on this list of 5 skin symptoms that show you're stressed. Then the 5th will be dry skin. You naturally might have, let's say, combination skin, but all of a sudden you start experiencing skin becomes dry. Dry skin, that's loss of water, dehydration and stuff like that. That's stress. So that's another reason. We have so many other reasons. Could be health reason and stuff like that that could cause most of these symptoms, but these are part of the things that causes that shows that you're stressed out. Okay, I said 5, but I have one more, which is oily skin. I also experience this too. Stress can up your oil production on your skin, and this could lead to so many other skin related issues. So those are the 5 skin symptoms. If you know you have any questions or comments, please drop it in the comment section below. That's that for this video. 5 skin symptoms that show you're stressed out. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I'm so sorry I've been away for a long time. And those that are just seeing my face for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscription button and the bell icon so that anytime I bring up a new video, you'll be notified. Bye for now.